15.4 feet in the air. Just crazy. They'll also do another one, this time in the tucked position. Wow. And then if you don't know this, what's the last thing the judges see? They see a stuck landing, exclamation mark.
Social media star, more than 650,000 followers on